Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Crypto Global 100, and today is very different video, and I'm afraid I won't be able to do it, but today's video is about the BTC Bitcoin USDT price prediction. It's the most difficult to predict as it's the mother currency of all. So I don't think so I'm gonna able to predict this, but I will give it a shot. I will give it a try. So if you guys think that I tried, then please like this video, and please also give me your feedback in the comment section. So let's start the video. I will try my best. So I will not go for the other indicators or anything like that. I will try to start with my basic stuff like support and resistance, and I'm gonna start with the monthly chart. As you all know that monthly chart is very important. Let me turn on the volume so I can yeah, okay. So monthly chart is the most reliable chart. For now we're gonna start with the larger trend. The bigger the trend, the better the probability. So here we have, let's take a look. Last month we hit this area, so let me draw this zone as let me draw this one. Sorry, okay, let's draw this. This is our monthly area, so I'm gonna write it down as this so that we can have monthly zone. Okay, and we have write it down. Now we're gonna also do the same at the bottom, so let's type it here as well. Monthly zone. So we have got two zones here. Okay, monthly up and down. So now we're gonna predict this one. No, okay, now we're gonna come down to the weekly area. Let's take a look. Now we're gonna readjust. Okay, yeah, readjust this zone after different things to look after. So here you see, let me tell you guys. See here, let me show you. The price when went up, BTC made a new high, swing high, but was rejected and closed at this area. So this area could be a good support zone as well. So I'm gonna draw this as well a zone. I'm gonna color it to yellow, maybe good. This is a good zone. So this is on 38,000. Here you can see 38,000. So the next up, I'm gonna look for, this is as it is on a weekly chart. I'm gonna, this one is good, this one is good, but this one I have to readjust that top layer. So I'm gonna delete that. I'm gonna start a new one here, because here it made a new high. So I'm gonna draw a zone here, there. So this one is now our new zone. Okay, this one is our new zone, and I'm gonna draw the swing low of that zone, this one. So we have drawn some areas, like let me show you. Here you can see this area, rejection, price moved up and went down, making a new higher high, and went down, and this area became the support, which is 44,950 approximately. Okay, then again the price went up, making new high, and this was 58,968. Went back down here at this level of 50,000, and then again rejected from this area. Let me tell you guys so that you can have idea. Wait, yeah, okay. You see here the price rejected this area, it went up, this made a new resistance. Okay, then after that the price came down and made this new support, and then again it went up, making new resistance, and then it was rejected and went down, and then again this was rejected from this level, making it second rejection from this area, and then the price started from here, it went up, then again restarted the other week, and went up, and again was rejected from this area, and then the next candle it went again, tried to break that level but couldn't pass this level, and again was came down, and then again closed here. The next candle here, again it tried to break this resistance area but it couldn't, and then again went down and it was again rejected from this area. So you see we have got a lot of rejections from this area, which is a good, you see, this is a good support zone for now. If you look here, you see 3 rejections from this area on the weekly, and 1 2 from this area, and multiple rejections from this area. So in the coming weeks we might expect this to go to 38,000 if the selling volume is good, but let's hope that's not gonna happen right now. But this level has not been tested. That's what my worries are. This level has not been retested. We need to come down for a healthy price action so that price can move up for a good, 70, or this one maybe. Okay, so what I'm thinking is that in the coming weeks, or you can say when the bullish cycle is over, it is gonna test this level of 38,000. So for now I'm bullish, but this level needs to be tested, this one here. If we turn on the volume, you see here, that's the main thing. Let me show you guys. Let me show you. This is very important for you to understand what is doing right now, what is happening right now. This is also a good zone as well. I have let me draw this as well. Okay, and I'm gonna color it to maybe pink. Let's pink it, make it pink. Okay, you see here the price closed to the swing low of this. So let's take a look at the volume. If we do the volume trading, so let you know guys, so we can understand the general trend. What is the general trend for now? So you see here, just imagine here the candles were very small and the volume was very low. Okay, the volume was very low. When the volume started to increase, you see the candles started to rise, and you see the price from 10,000 to 18,000. That was good because of the volume. Okay, the next candle here, this one was a low volume candle. You see here, this was a low volume candle. Price tends to push down, but the volume was not enough. Not enough means sellers were not a lot of people were trying to sell at this area, at this zone. So what happened next is, due to the large volume, see the difference here, the volume was low, but next candle was breaking this MA, which is moving average. It crossed, and so does the candle, and after that the next bar was also above this. That's why it again moved up, and the third one was better than this one. See this one is a good zone, you see, from past, you see. So this one was also good, and the next candle it went again up here, again up here, this volume. So it was this candle, this was a retracement candle. You see this one, see, this was a retracement, and it had to be because it was a bullish price, parabolic movement, but it has to, you see, you can see kind of, let me show you what I want to tell you. Just look at the pattern. This was the parabolic, and then it made a small handle here, and again went up, then again making a small handle, then again now we are making another, might be at this one as well. So that's the condition right now. I'm looking this on the weekly. It's very difficult to predict, it's very difficult to predict why it's not leading. Don't know why. I'm gonna check it. Okay, so here you see the volume volume kept on increasing, the price kept on increasing. This was a good retracement. Okay, the volume went down again, the volume was good here above the moving averages, so does the candles. And here, due to the large volume, this was a big candle move downward. This was a big dump, you see, from 57,000 to almost 44,000. That's a 13,000, that's a 13,000 drop. You see here, let me show you. This was a big candle downward. Due to this, the large sell-off, you see, the large sell-off, large volume was, you see here. Let me just conjust it and making it down low. You see here, this was a good volume, price went up. The next bar was above this. It meant that the price tends to go down because it was a selling volume. You have to differentiate between the buying volume, okay, and the sell volume. These are two different volumes, okay. So what happened after that? You see here, the price after that, the volume, you see the price tends to move up, the volume tends to move down. This is very important point, you see. This is very important point to consider. Let me show you guys. Very important why I have seen this. You see here, the price from here, just concentrate here. This candle, the buying volume is below the average. The price started to move up. The next bar, a little bit increase in volume, the price started up. Okay, next candle, low volume, it's like a consolidation. Then again low volume, it was not a big sell-off. Okay, then third volume, this one was very low, means the people don't want to go high. So this was a low volume, low spread candle, and again this was again a low volume and less spread. Then from here you see the trend in the down volume. You see the price was moving up, but the volume was moving down. So this is called the volume divergence, bearish divergence. So this was a bearish divergence caused here at this area here. These two bars caused the price to dump from here to this one, which we recently saw. Okay, we recently saw this dump due to the, you see, the volume was large, the sell-off volume was large, and it was a bearish volume divergence. So I'm looking this as you see, I'm looking this as a volume divergence. Okay, after that, you see, from here, if we look at, this was a support zone. Okay, this was a support zone. It was tested first time, then went up again, went down, but couldn't able to pass through this level. So again it went down, again went up, then again tested this level, and due to the large sell-off, you see, this candle, this bar was above than this, so due to the large candle, it broke down. Okay, it broke down and tested this level and wicked below this 49,000. Okay, so you see, that's how you can easily trade and set your levels according to the volume, according to the trade. So the next, for right now, we are in the Thursday. Today is the, I think, Wednesday, yeah, Thursday. This is the Thursday. Okay, and the volume is well, moving up, not much. So here the candle has just started to retrace from this. See, if it has just started to retrace, and what I am looking for now is we can also draw another level in here because it was a swing low. So let me draw this one as well. This one would be a good, you see here, it tried to break that level, but this volume needs a larger volume to break through this level. So if we draw some EMAs here, what do we have here? I have 13, and we are bullish, we are super bullish. Let me tell you guys, we are super bullish because This one, the red one, is the 100 EMA, and we are on the 13th EMA. See the 13 EMA here, see it is being respected, and I told you that this level has never tested and it can work past below as well here at this level in the coming weeks. So now let me turn this off, and if we look at this, this is again not gonna, okay, that's it, good. Here, let me delete this, let me delete this as well. So here we have, let me show you as well. Okay, if we draw a trend line here, like this one here, this one is a swing low, this one is swing high, swing high, yeah, this one is a swing high, this one is a swing low. So we can go from here. If we go like this, it is a steep move ahead. So I'm gonna draw this as well, but for now I'm gonna turn to daily chart. So let's take a look at the daily one. What is the clear picture for now? So here we have a clear resistance here. This one is a good resistance, or I'm gonna draw this as well. I'm gonna make it the dark line so that this, you can easily recognize that this is the daily zone. Okay, the daily zone, the daily zone. I'm plotting this to give you the general trend. Okay, this is the daily zone. Okay, and this is, well, it's already good, it's good. We can go to this level, but it's gonna make the chart more, you know, difficult to read, so I'm gonna keep it simple for now. So you see here it made a new swing high here, and let me delete this to make it more here. Yeah, you see here these two levels, and then these levels tried to wick past. Once it went up, it went down to break this level, but couldn't able to. Then small, this is the meaning that the momentum was dropping, then it went down sharply here. Okay, we're gonna start with here. So what is the current scenario? See, it is moving like you know, we can draw, see from here, if we can draw here, see, if we touch the low lows, the wicks only, then we are getting a good sideways movement. You see it is bouncing back from, you know, it was the rising, you know that the rising, let me show you guys the rising wedge. What happens often after the rising wedge pattern? So we see this one is very close, very close. You see here the price went up, down, up, down, up, down, and then it went down. You see this is very close to this one. You see here, if we draw this one from here and we close, like, you see, let me just zoom it out a bit. I'm going to turn off the volume for now, and let me show you from this angle. If you go from here, see, if you go from here, yeah, this one would be a good match. Or if I'm gonna make it from body of the wick to the body of the wick, made it a new swing high here. Okay, and here we have another zone as well. If we go to the swing low, to the swing low, so these are different zones. You have to, you know, you need to just make it according to your level. So for right now, you can see here the price, see, it started from here, went down, rejected, and then again went up here, rejected, first rejection, then again, and second support zone. You see these are the horizontal support zones. You see these are horizontal levels. Okay, and these ones, you see, if you look the diagonally, these are the diagonal support and zones, support and resistance zones. So you can also make use of them. So here the price went up again, tried to break this level because the swing high, it went down again. Okay, due to this, the second trend line, again it tried to break this level but couldn't, then again went bounced back from this. You see how many rejections from this area? We got one rejection, two rejections, three rejections, four rejections. So four rejections. And if we turn off the volume, let me show you the volume here. Okay, here the volume was low, that's why it wasn't able to break this level. Here, if we look at here, I hope that, okay, it was very close but very equal to the last volume, so that's why it was bounced up. Okay, and next was again the volume went down, and let me check this one here. Let me check the volume on this candle, this one. Okay, see here, although the volume was good, but it couldn't able to pass below this level. Why? Because this was a strong support here. You see, this was a strong support, and also after breaking through this level, this was its first test. Okay, so whenever a level is broken first time, okay, whenever a level is broken first time, 90% of the time that level on its retest bounces back. So it happened here, it was a good rebounds upward. Okay, so third time we got a good volume here again, and we see a good rising channel. You see a good, you don't gonna find the, you're not gonna find the exact rising wedge, but you have to predict, you have to make. So here what happened after that, price went up again, making a new swing high, and then again from after breaking through this, you see the volume was absolutely killer here. You see the volume was large sell of volume, so price went down again, down, and this was a new, now this is the new support. If we look as horizontal, if we look at the diagonally, this was a new swing low, this is also a new support zone. So what I am expecting that might be in the coming days we're gonna retrace back to this level, which is 61,000, and after that we can also find another rising wedge, but we have to look for the move in the coming days. So this is what I'm looking at, the price is gonna move up and down, but this volume you see here right now, we have a good buying volume at this candle, then the volume went very low. It means now we're gonna see some consolidation phase, might be some consolidation phase here, and if the volume rises we can break this level, and as I said, we can go here after the consolidation, we're going to go there and making a new all-time high. Okay, new all-time high, and we can also break this and we can enter into the new zone here, making the new support zone, and then it would be a different or different price action altogether. So this is pretty a long video, but I have tried to give you the general idea. So let us check the, if we look at the RSI, what it gives us the general perspective. Let's take a look here. You see the RSI. Okay, so you see here we have find divergence here. You see the price was moving up from this angle, but here the price was this, the RSI was making lower swing low, but the BTC was making BTC price was making swing high. So that's why after that the price went down. You see here the price went down. Now what happened after that, we have, I'm analyzing as well, I'm doing the live analysis, not anything. You see, that's why the video is getting long. So see here we have a good downward trend, but it is upward, and this is making a downward. You see here another downward trend. Let me show you this one here. Let me delete this and let me draw this. See here the price was moving up, but RSI here, RSI was making again swing low. See here, now it was making again that it was a bearish divergence here. From here you can see, if I cancel out all the things, let me show you, you know what I'm talking about. This one, if I draw this one as a full divergence, you see here, you see here, and you can also see this one as well. See, the price kept on increasing. You see the price kept on increasing here. So what I am looking as, if it makes another swing low, then this price again is going to test this area. So RSI needs to go above so that we can have a good look at the price. So this is also has been confirmed with the help of RSI. If I look at OBV, let's take a look at this one as well. So what is this? Low volume, low volume, okay, good volume. You see here, let me show you, this was increasing. It means a lot of people are buying. Okay, selling volume was not that much, so that's why price didn't go that much down. But again, the price was going, the on balance volume was good. That's why the price went up as well. And you see this level was, you see, let me show you this one, this level. Okay, this level was here, you see, making a new swing high. So it means the price doesn't want to go down. Okay, swing low, sorry, high swing low. So that's why the price didn't go through. If we could have this this peak, this low to be made here, then we could say that the price is going down. From here we could expect the price will fall below. So this is the help of you see here, if we look at here, the OBV is almost touching the top. You see, these are the peaks, these are the peaks here. It means a lot of people are supporting the price on the uptrend. Okay, a lot of people are supporting the price on the uptrend. So right now you see the price went down, the peak went down, making a new swing low here as well. If we go here, and you see, if we go here, so what I am expecting from here, this is also needs to go up. This is the volume which needs to go up, and but it will, you see, if the price went down from here, let's suppose if the price went down like this and this peak went up, it means a lot of people wants to sell. Okay, and we can see this level coming anytime soon. But if price comes down and this also comes down, then it won't be that, you know, it's also, it's gonna consolidate at this area. So but, and the third thing is, if the price moves up and this moves up as well, then we would be bullish and we surely gonna break this level and making an all-time high. So this is the analysis from the OBV on balance. Okay, so I'm giving this a detailed analysis so that you can have a better idea. But I think that's enough for today, as it is taking a lot of time, just a last test. Okay, you see here, this is the 100-day moving average, and if we pick past below this, then surely we're gonna test this level. I'm telling you guys that this level is very important. This zone 40,000, 38,000, this level has not been tested, and if somehow we have a good selling volume, we can test this level. But due to the rejection, due to the large volume, the price went up, and we have to wait for some time. We can also see this one to move down as well, because you see here it was a swing low and it has been rejected from this swing low. So this is basically confirmation that we are in the downtrend. Well, it happens. Well, very difficult. As I told you, this is very difficult to do the analysis of BTC. It's very difficult. You have, you know, $1 trillion involved in this. So guys, that was my limited knowledge. I have tried to share with you the video. If you like the video, if you like the effort, then please give it a thumbs up. That's all guys, take care, bye.